So, going to be taking it more seriously, moving forward, and learning from my mistake. YouTube.com/rejects. Hey guys, Rejects here. Welcome to another episode of my eBay business. I'm going to be doing my best to boost the quality of these videos because I have a little bit of background experience with filmmaking and video editing. That was just something on the floor. But yeah, I'm going to be trying my hardest in future videos to up the quality of these videos. I just want to make my videos stand out a little bit and try giving you guys the best quality videos I can. So today I sold something and I received a package on Amazon. So let's check out the package. All right, so what we have going on in here. Here we have some free packing material. Pro tip, if you guys order on Amazon a lot, you'll get these little air packets and you could just use it to ship some of your heavier electronics. So going to be using this in future shipments. And I decided to boost the quality of my packaging a little bit. I bought these 6x10" poly bags just because I started selling a lot more games. So I want to make sure that they're secure and well packaged. Last thing I got here is this GoPro Hero 4 frame. So I recently got a backpack strap and I noticed that my current case kind of blocks all the audio and I wanted something a little bit more open-ended so I could actually capture decent audio. So got this and gonna be using this for future videos. So today we sold a game and now we have this neat little box to keep all my games. We sold Tony Hawk. All right, so let's shut this box up. All right, so we sold this Tony Hawk Underground game for the PlayStation. We got this at a garage sale just on Saturday and listed it, and it sold pretty much immediately. So pretty happy about that. And there you have the profit on the screen. Another thing I wanted to do to boost the quality of the eBay business is I have some extra bins up in the attic, so I decided to bring them down and use it for the eBay business. I'm also going to be keeping my eye out on Facebook Marketplace to purchase more bins and get more organized. And I know you guys can't really tell just by looking at it, but I definitely am trying to keep this place a little bit more organized than I have before. This is my death pile. Everything that hasn't been listed yet, I'll be stacking here. This, my wife actually picked up at Community Aid, just a pair of shorts and a pair of pants. And these casserole dishes, it's of a particular brand that I'm not really sure of at the moment. I'll have it on the screen. But she picked up, I want to say 4 different ones, and 3 of them have sold to her friends and family. We obviously gave them a decent price for it, but still made a little bit of a profit. Got these for $2 each, so pretty sweet deal on that. And she has these items listed on eBay, so I'm just trying to figure out space for that. But everything else still need to list. I might be listing these bundles of graphic tees together just to see if they'll sell, but we'll see how that works out. And got a nice little drawer over there at a garage sale this past weekend as well. So trying to keep things really organized around here because I'm planning to upgrade to an eBay store in the near future just so I could have a bunch of active listings to hopefully be able to have daily sales. So gonna be sweet and I'll keep you guys updated. One thing I forgot to mention is I'm gonna be trying to boost the amount of videos that I produce for you guys. Instead of just 1 video a week, I'm shooting for 2 videos a week. 1 video is obviously going to be a vlog related video and the other one's probably going to be like a tutorial because I'm trying to start an eBay for Beginners playlist. So keep your eyes out for those videos. All right, so today we sold this Corel salt and pepper shaker set. This is actually on my wife's profile. She found this at a garage sale. We purchased it for $1. So very proud of her and what she did with the sale. A very good flip. Accepted the best offer of $12.50. So let's see here. And I apologize if you hear some background noise. My neighbor is apparently mowing or doing something at the moment. So that's what that noise is. But this was a very quick sale actually. This is a really good brand. And if you guys are selling dish sets of any kind, be sure to look for Corel. So, all right, so this box should work very nicely, actually. Sweet. So I have the item here, just gonna throw it in this poly bag. Now, both of these items I actually received eBay shipments in, so it's pretty sweet to be able to recycle some packing material here. Lining it up on the bottom over here. Tossing the package in. And we're gonna line up the edges with newspaper as well, just to protect it a little more. As you can see, perfectly compact. There's no movement in there whatsoever. Just gonna add another layer of newspaper on the top, just to protect it from the top. Just like that, we have our package. Up next, it is time to weigh our items. So let us grab the package, stick it on there. 14.9 ounces. So sweet, this is gonna be going out first class. All right, you guys, so over the past couple days, I picked up a couple of things here. We were at Walmart and was able to pick up this nice Yu-Gi-Oh deck for, I think, around $7. I have it on the screen with exactly how much we paid, but this is going to go around $18, I think, on eBay, and I believe it's selling for around $18 or $19 on Amazon. So I'm going to wait on Amazon for a little bit, just going to post this up on eBay and wait for it to sell. Another thing is we found this Bernie Sanders Chia Pet at Goodwill. Picked it up for $4 and going to see if it sells. And if anything, we're going to use this as like kind of like a gag gift because it is so ridiculous. So even if it doesn't sell, it'll be a nice gift for someone around Christmas time. Next thing is I picked up a set of these Coors Light glasses. Now I have a lot of 5 of them, and I saw other solds for these. They have the 3D Mountain. So picked up 5 of these for $2 a piece, so $10 overall. Hoping to sell them for around $39.99 with the buyer paying shipping. So I have this little station set up right now to take pictures in the kitchen because the garage is mighty warm right now. So that's why I'm doing more listings inside the actual house. So we were at Goodwill. I was able to pick up this Panasonic VCR. It also had the remote that went with it, so very good pickup. Looking to flip this pretty easily. Only picked it up for $5, so gotta test that bad boy out. Going down to the basement. All right, so we were at a couple yard sales. I actually picked up this lot of Guitar Hero guitars for the PlayStation 2. Picked these 2 guitars and this stack of Guitar Hero games for $4. So these things alone are gonna sell for about $19 to $20 a piece. So I'm gonna lot them together. In addition to these 3 games, I already tested them both and they work, and the games work as well. So it's gonna be pretty sweet. Also picked up these PlayStation 2 controllers. Gonna set these up as a lot as well. Tested them and they both work. So easy profits. Forgot to mention, $1 each. And I also have this Guitar Hero guitar, or Rock Band guitar, I guess. Looks like it's for the Wii. There's like the sync button here, so it's a wireless Rock Band guitar. Still need to test it out. Haven't had the time to do so, but we'll have to do that soon. Overall, really happy with the amount of time that we've been able to spend sourcing. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm gonna go out and get some GoPro footage for you guys and probably make that into a separate video. So gonna be fun, gonna be pretty sweet. All right, hey guys, so we're back in the office and I just wanna take a quick minute or so just to give you guys some bad news in regards to the eBay business. So I always wanted to share my ups along with my downs with the eBay business. Obviously in this video, I think I only had like 2 sales. So really slow week, but on the slower weeks, I would like to dedicate time to organizing the eBay space in addition to sourcing a lot more and listing more. Something I also wanted to share with you guys is I got my first negative feedback on my eBay profile, which basically means that I will not be eligible for top rated seller status until it goes away, which it goes away I think in like 12 months, or at least that's the longest period that will show you your most recent feedback is like 1 month, and I think it's 3 or 6 months, and then followed by that it's 12 months. So I mean, it was 100% deserved. I made a mistake on a listing. It was actually for the sale of the adult diapers. I used a previous comp and I said, like, you know, sell like this one, and then I pretty much used the same verbiage and everything that they did in terms of like the title. and the person that bought the item thought they were getting a case of them, but instead I only sent them like one individual package of the item. So again, 100% my mistake. But instead of messaging me, asking me like, like, hey, where's the rest of my product, he sent that question in the form of like a negative feedback. So I resolved the issue by giving him a full refund, in addition to refund the shipping, everything like that. So I had to eat the cost of the item and the full refund. So I think on that transaction, I'm out, I want to say $18, somewhere around there. So like I said, well deserved. Sometimes you just have to take ownership of the mistakes you made and learn from it. So moving forward, I'm going to be much more careful when listing. And I'm sure some of you resellers know that listing is probably the worst part of reselling. Like, it's not enjoyable. Sourcing is fun. Making sales is fun. Everything else about reselling is a lot of fun, but listing is just like, oh, I gotta do it. But something you have to do. So going to be taking it more seriously moving forward and learning from my mistake. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.